exfoliating the skin. This is actually a part 2 of the video I recently posted, and take a look. This is it right here. Now this is a wonderful, amazing anti-aging wrinkle fighting scrub. If you're in your 20s, you're in your 30s, and you're looking to roll back the years, you're looking to prevent wrinkles and fine lines, this wonderful scrub is for you. If you're in your 40s, 50s, upwards, and you're looking to get rid of wrinkles, this video is for you. This is going to exfoliate your skin, get rid of the dull skin, and leave you with just young, fresh, radiant skin, while tightening and firming the skin and getting rid of the fine lines and wrinkles. So if you're interested in today's video, continue watch. Now take a look at what we have here. Here I have some rice. We also have some dried orange peel. We have some coffee. This rice was soaked in fresh brewed coffee, and we also have some aloe vera gel in this. This is the leftover from one of our previous video, rice water, and I will put the link in the description box below so you could go and watch that video to make this rice scrub. All right, so what we're gonna do with this leftover, we are gonna be blending. Now let me show you the ingredient just before I blend. In this we have some rice, and rice is known to help to brighten the skin. It's also known to help to hydrate the skin and get rid of wrinkles and fine lines. We also have some dried orange peel, and dried orange peel contains vitamin C, another wonderful ingredient for brightening the skin and also for getting rid of spots and blemishes. I also have in this some aloe vera gel, which hydrates the skin, clear the skin of spots and blemishes, also help to get rid of scars, but the most important thing, it gets rid of wrinkles, and it also helps to boost the collagen production in the skin. Now the next ingredient in this is coffee. So coffee is great for getting rid of wrinkles on the face, and it is also been said that coffee helps to boost collagen production in the face while hydrating the skin, plumping that skin up, and have your face just looking years younger. I brewed some coffee and I pour it over the rice, the orange peel, and the aloe vera gel. So what we did, we soak it for 24 hours. Next, we are just gonna cover this. And we're gonna put this away, and we're gonna leave it there for about 24 hours. Do not refrigerate this, just leave it on your countertop. Just make sure to cover tightly, all right? Now the next thing we're gonna do, we're gonna strain, therefore you're gonna need a strain. Okay, and now this is what we're left with, so we are gonna blend. This is just leftover dried orange peel in my blender, so not to worry. So we're just gonna scoop this in the blender, and as I said, if you have not watched the video part 1 of this video, I will put the link in the description box below. Now this rice is already wet, so no need to add any water to this. We're just gonna blend as is. And take a look, here it is, and now we are going to scoop this out. And this is exactly how we want it. You do not want it to be powder-like. You want to have it all these granules for the scrubbing effect. Now guys, take a look at what I'm going to do next to this. We are going to prepare a facial scrub. So I'm going to take a 1/4 cup of this, which is 60 ml. And give and take. You can just use up all of it, really. Just use all of this, which is about a cup. This is shareable, so why not? Look what I have here. We have some apple cider vinegar. And we're going to pour about 2 tablespoons of the apple cider vinegar. We have a little bit of a rose water. About 2 tablespoons of the rose water. And we're going to mix this in. And this is how we want it. We want it to be a little on the softer side. We're not going to use any oil in this, guys. The oil is going to cause the rice not to be spreadable. So we want it as muddy as this. This is perfect. This is just wonderful. And here we have it, rice orange coffee scrub. Take a look at this scrub. Wonderful scrub. Now this scrub is great to exfoliate your face, but you can also use this as a body scrub. To use the scrub, you want to wash your face first, especially if you wear makeup. Get rid of all the grease. It's great to wash your face with a little warm water to open those pores out. And then you just take your rice scrub, you place it on your face like this, and look at that. Ooh, this is nice. Just exfoliate the skin. Exfoliate your face for about 2 to 3 minutes. Give it a good scrub. Oh my goodness, this feels amazing, guys. Ooh, you know what? Let me just exfoliate my hands. I don't want to waste it. I'm demonstrating. This is a facial scrub, guys. Face, neck, body, you name it. So just use it to exfoliate your skin. I just don't want to waste. I'm demonstrating, and it's so good. I can't wait to go use this on my face. So exfoliate your face for about 3 minutes, and then you're gonna rinse off. Don't forget the neck and décolleté. This is gonna brighten the skin. Now guys, if you have blackheads, this is great for you. If you have large pores, this is the one for you. If you have spots and blemishes on your face, spots all over, this one is for you. This hands down is a no joke facial scrub. So then you're gonna rinse off, preferably with some cold water. Once you're done, you're gonna apply your favorite facial toner, serum, and moisturizer. Use this scrub 2 to 3 times per week. However, if you do not have all the time, make sure to use this at least once per week. Dry skin people, this is for you. Oily skin, this is for you. Normal skin, this is for you. However, for sensitive skin, you can leave out the apple cider vinegar. Alright, so there you have it, guys. Wonderful facial scrub, wonderful all over scrub, wonderful just anywhere scrub for wrinkles, fine lines, dark spot, acne, pores, you name it. Give it a go and come back and leave a comment. There you have it. Thank you all for watching. Comment on the video. Let me know if you like this recipe. Also, give it a try. Use it for a week and then come back and leave another comment. Share, 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 share. And if this was your first time watching, don't leave without subscribing. Look below. You're going to see the word subscribe. Hit subscribe and you will be subscribed. Now guys, also hit the little notification bell at the side, but turn notification on your phone or your iPad or wherever you watch your videos. Thank you all for watching, and I'll see you in my next video.